I'm Shahriyar Mehdi and I'm going to tell you few words in English that have a relationship with emotional instability. An unstable person is more inclined toward devastation. He has a tendency to become destructive behaviors because he is not stable, he is not regulated in his emotions. He is not emotionally resilient or emotionally integrated. So his mind might get devastated or his behaviors might get distorted at any point in his life. So let's find the synonyms for word destroy. How emotionally unstable people destroy themselves. How the word destroy is used in English in several different contexts. How destroy, when comes to my mind, it says destroy completely or utterly destroy. Destroy completely or utterly destroy. Devour, ravage, and partition. And when devouring comes to mind, what comes to my mind? Licking. Because you destroy yourself by licking. Yeah. Devouring and licking are synonyms. Devour me, lick me. Devour me, lick me. They both are synonyms. Bite me, chew me. Synonyms. Swallow, gulp, snoofing, noshing. They both are the synonyms for devouring that leads to devastation. In a different context, it has a relationship. Now, in the next dimension, we have another type of devastation that comes from demolition. When you when you raise someone's house by a tractor or a bulldozer, what you have done? You have raised that house and you have leveled that house. The synonym for raise is level. You have demolished, you have destroyed that house. Destroy in the sense that you have destruct, devastate and raise that house. गिरा दिया, खत्म हो गया, ऊपर से नीचे स्ट्रक्चर डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. This kind of destroy is addressed in English through different words. And those words are destruction, devastation, demolition, and havoc. Havoc. And if somebody is destroyed through sacking, then there is a different word in English, and that word is called pillage. Pillage, sacking, ransacking, lootmar. To destroy somebody through sacking. This is another dimension. We have few words for despoil and pillage. Despoil and pillage are synonyms for destroy. Yes, this is what I have to say. And I forgot one dimension in the context of destroy or to devour somebody by chewing. When you chew something, bite and chew, okay? What happens? It destroys because you destroy it by biting, na? Through chewing. Because when you're chewing, you're destroying that substance or whatever you are chewing. You're destroying the essence, you are destroying the matter, you are destroying the substance by your mouth through crunching. And that crunch has so many synonyms in English. Crunch, munch, scrunch, chomp, champ, masticate. When a person is destroyed by every reason, through ransacking, pillage, humiliation, whatever the mean is or the method is or the tool is used to destroy that person. What would happen next after that destruction? What would happen next? The news of that person get promulgated and disseminated. Like, that person has destroyed himself. Oh, that person A is a ruthless creature on the mother planet. He has destroyed himself due to his arrogance. He has destroyed himself due to his stubbornness. So, whatever is, the reason is we are not concerned. We are concerned about the outcome. What would happen next? The news of that person become the news of the day, and that thing become, you know, promulgated in his social circle or disseminated. That news is disseminated in his social circle. So, what are the synonyms for dissemination? How that dissemination is addressed in English? What are those words? Let's explore. Dissemination, promulgation, diffuse, disperse, scatter, spread out, multiply, propagate, extend, increase. And if an increase is steady, if a steady increase in intensity or a volume, then there is a high frequency word in English, and that word is called crescendo. Crescendo. What next? Thin out, break up, disorganized, and not concentrated. These all are the synonyms for disseminated. Yes, thank you very much.